How to make a GIF on iPhone. Start by opening the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Gallery. On this page, go to the search bar and type in GIF. Tap on Make GIF from the results. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Shortcuts section. Here, tap on Make GIF as shown. Choose the video you want to make the GIF from. And then, edit the video length for the GIF over here. After that, tap on Save. Here, tap on Done. Now, go back and open up the Photos app. You can view the GIF you just created over here. Following these steps, you can easily make a GIF on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.